interesting video. In this video, I am going to give you a brief outlook of what Visual Studio is. Visual Studio Code, also called VSC, is this program which you can see on my screen. I used this same program in my previous video. So this program is very elegant. If you have to do coding, you can do all of it in tabs. You can keep on switching between different projects, and that's a very good thing. To download VS Code, you can either go to code.visualstudio.com and download for Windows, or either go to visualstudio.microsoft.com and download Visual Studio Code and select Windows x64 or x32 depending on your system. Going to this program, I can see that there are many options. On my start screen, I can see new file, make a new file, open a new file, open a new folder. Over here I have opened my Python folder, and so I have a lot of files. If I will select any file, you can see that it gets opened in any tab. If I just seeing what I made last time is this. So what I can do is to quickly start making a file by clicking over your new file. Then I can just type the name of whatever file. Suppose I want to make program _01 dot, and after dot you can put anything. Like if I put .html and then close the thing, I can just start coding like a regular HTML way, like we do. Head, title, program 1, then control enter. Over here I press control enter so that if my cursor is over here, if I press enter, so it will go to the next line. But instead of pressing that, a better option that I would be having here would be to press enter, which would directly go to the next. From here I can just close the head tag which is already there. Then I can start with body, and I can type my first program, and then I can just go down. Then I can just close HTML tag. It's already closed. So this was how you would make it. Then you can just press Ctrl S, that's save. Then I can go to run without debugging. Then select a web app, like I selected Chrome, and so let's wait for it to load. So it said could not get to the main target. So let's investigate. So let's see that do we have a proper. See, we have an extension of HTML made over here. Let's search for more extensions. This is the marketplace. You can just search any extensions or anything that are available. So I can just go. I've already one installed, and so let's try to inquire why didn't it not run. If I go to start install and I have this thing installed in my workplace, so I guess I should try. So let's try it out another way that we just saw from there. We can just right click and preview in default browser, activating extensions, and over here you can see my first program printed. So we can also customize it a little. For that, do not see b/b, so it already came, so we can just cut it and then so why this, let's remove this from here and just close it. So we can just save it. We can just switch to Google, refresh, and it comes to bold. So same thing we can do with other file types. Like this application supports like many file types. You can just use it to create any Word document. For example, let me write notes.docx. And now over here I can just start writing, hi, my name is Rishit. I hope you like this video. So over here you can see that I can create anything, any type of file. This is the search place. So over here I can search anything. Hi. So you see I found a lot of highs. I can select this and I can replace this with hi. So now that's it. You can replace it. You can do anything. No, I don't want to replace it. So you see we can replace it as well using this search function. These are source control. Not of much use, but still. Then we can use run and debug, which we just used now to just program this HTML file. Then in extensions, as I showed you, you can just install like extensions for any file type. So I can even install it for C/C++. You see there are these I have already installed. So you can also go to testings, Jupyter, and you can make an account, and you can even go to settings. From here you can also select the color theme which you want it to be. Suppose if I select light, this happens. If I go to color theme again, select dark, this happens. I can also go to file icon theme. I like the material icon theme. The original icon theme, which was minimal, you can see that very boring. So you can just install this file icon theme, which is material icon theme, which is way better than this. So that was for the basics of this file, of this application. Over here you can also see that there is a title bar with file, and you have a lot of options, new file and open file and all sort of options. In edit you can just undo, redo, cut, copy, paste and all of such things. Selection, you know what it is to select it. In view you can just view it, and you can just select different appearances more, and you will hide or show the view bar. Okay, that's hidden. Dude, I gotta enable that, otherwise I might be in problem. So it just came over here. It just came in here. So let me just go to appearance. Then I can just select the menu bar again, and my menu bar is back. No need for setting. Then I can just go to any form, and you can switch editors. I can back, forth, every sort of thing. In run, I showed you what run does. Terminal, I can just show you what terminal is. I can just go to terminal, and you can just do the basic things which you can do with this terminal as well. And help, help box, which you always need. So that was, according to me, that was all for the basics that you need to know if you need to get started with VS Code. This is a really great program, so I would like, if you want to do some coding and have interest in coding, so you should try this program out, and I recommend this for you guys. So see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, and subscribe to my channel, don't forget that.